Welcome to this tutorial on managing the trash section in WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to easily access and control the trash area, allowing you to manage posts that have been removed from your site. Begin by visiting the WordPress homepage using your regular web browser. Once the page loads, you will see the interface where actions for site management are available. After you have accessed WordPress, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There you will find the login option. This step helps you secure your account information and ensures that you can proceed safely with all backend actions available on your WordPress dashboard. By clicking on the login option, you set the stage for accessing all the administrative tools that WordPress has to offer. Once you click login, you will be prompted with different methods for signing into your account. For this tutorial, choose the option labeled Continue with Google. Using your Google account simplifies the login process by authenticating your identity quickly and securely. When you select Continue with Google, you will see a list of accounts to choose from. Simply pick the account associated with your WordPress site or the account you use for managing your content. This streamlines your workflow by eliminating extra steps and making it easier to get started. After your account is verified with Google, you now need to navigate to the area where all your posts are managed. Head to the Posts section of your WordPress dashboard. This part of the dashboard not only displays all the posts on your site, but also provides various options to interact with each post, including editing, quick previewing, or managing the status of posts that are no longer needed. Spending a moment in the post area helps you get familiar with how your content is organized and provides context for the next step. Within the post section, you will find a specific area labeled Trash. Click on the trash link to view all the posts that have been removed from the active list. This holds the post for a grace period, giving you the flexibility to either restore them back to active status or delete them permanently. By clicking on trash, you will understand which posts are no longer active and which ones might still be useful for future reference or require a permanent decision. When you are in the trash area, several options become available to you. You can easily duplicate an item, restore it if you wish to make it available again, or choose to permanently delete a post if you are confident that you no longer need it. This final step consolidates your control over your content and ensures that the posts you see in the trash are managed appropriately. It allows you to maintain a clean and organized content management system by confirming your choices regarding each item in the trash. Throughout this process, the simplicity and clarity of the WordPress user interface make it straightforward to follow each step without confusion. By managing the trash effectively using these instructions, you will keep your website organized and ensure that unnecessary posts do not clutter your dashboard. Enjoy the improved management of your content and the security that comes with having full control over your trash area on WordPress.